loaded up, and by the time she gets done eating, she'll be ready. Come on. Judy, you coming? Well, come on. Because not only do we got to go to the dollar store, we got to get the safe meet there with car seat for him, and plus we got to go meet that dude. So come on.
Okay. What? What? Why are you threatening me? You're being a bad little boy, threatening me. What? No, you're not gonna whip me. No. I love you, Abby Lou. Peekaboo, I love you. Peekaboo, I love you. I said I love you. I don't want... No, I said I love you. I don't want kisses. Whatever. Rude self.